I know, it's not Saturday, but had some problems yesterday. So, well, you get what you get. Sunday morning, I think it's almost like Saturday. So, anyways, this is our review. Lot to do. So, go ahead and freeze the thing and do these problems, and then I'll do them. And then we got more, and then hey. So, do it. Okay, so these should be easy now. It's greater than 6 or greater than 10. So it has to be greater than 6 because all the numbers greater than 10 is automatically greater than 6. And if it's the same direction or it's the longer one, same direction and has to be the shorter one because 6 is not bigger than 10. 7 is not bigger than 10. 8 not bigger than 10. So all these numbers are excluded up until 10. Then we have and. So 6 goes this way, 10 goes this way, no overlappage, so it's no reals. Has to be on both for an and. And less than 6 is over here, greater than 10 over here, nothing on both. Here, greater than 6, we. Less than 2, we. Okay. There's absolute value variables, so you got to break it up into 2 parts. Without the absolute value, then or greater than the opposite. Now I'm going to skip a step by just doing the opposite. Here I'm going to add 4. And then divide by 2. Here I'm going to subtract 4. And then take divide by negative 2, but whenever you divide by negative, switch the inequality. So it would be less than negative 3. We. Greater than 7. We. Now this, get it by itself first. So subtract 6. And then divide by negative 2. So you really thought it was an and, less than, but it's really not because when you divide by negative, switch the inequality. Then break it up into 2 parts. Or the opposite. So we would subtract 1. And then we would add 1, yeah, and then take the opposite. Oh my god, how did we ever have a problem? I just don't know. Less than or equal to negative 10, solid dot. Greater than or equal to 8, solid dot. Now we got 3 more problems. Graph these. Now notice slope, so we're using the Cartesian coordinate system, x and y, not a number line anymore. So get ahead. Okay, so let's see if we got it right. Now I might have x and y intercepts on the test also, but we didn't review that because that was on last week's test. But remember to find the intercept. X-intercept, you solve it for, let me start over. To find the x-intercept, you put 0 in for y, and then solve it for x. To find the y-intercept, you put 0 in for x. But here we go. Slope 3.21, so it'd be over 2 up 1. Slope is 3, so up 3 over 1. Down 3, left 1. Whee! Now this one, it's an equation, but it's solved for y, so the y-intercept's negative 1, doink. Slope is a half, so up 1 over 2, up 1 over 2. Remember, if, I kind of missed that a little bit, it should be down here. If it's a positive slope, it's up to the right, negative slope down to the right. Now this one, solve it for y. So I'm going to subtract 2x from both sides. Here, let me move it over so we can see a little better. Sorry about that. And then divide both sides by -2. Oh, sorry again. Divide by -4. I cannot see. I need new glasses. Mercy. So that would be 1/2 x minus 2. So doinky doinky. Up 1/2. Up 1/2. Whee. Yes. Sir. Hey, here's some more problems. So find the equation line in standard form. Go ahead. Okay, well, welcome back. So I'm given a slope and an intercept, so I use slope-intercept. Oh my goodness. Now I want standard form, so I gotta get rid of the fraction, multiply by 2. 2y equals 12x plus 1. Now standard, I'm going to subtract 12x. We could have subtracted 2y and then subtract 1. So, could be a little bit different looking answers. Now I'm going to use point slope. Y minus 1 equals 3x minus 3. Y minus 1 equals 3x minus 9. I'm going to subtract y and add 9. Yay! So now, oh, I got to find the slope. The slope. What did I say? The slope. So it'd be 8 minus 3, y minus y over x minus... Now, if I start with this y, I got to start with this x. Yes, I do. So that would be 5. So I'm going to pick that point. Y minus 3 equals 5x minus 2. So y minus 3 equals 5x minus 10. Subtract y, add 10. Yay. Oh. Now this one, I got to find the slope. Let's move it over so we can see a little better. Find the slope. So I'm going to solve it for y. Just subtract x, the 3x by, subtract 3x to both sides. Excuse me. Wow. Shoo, it's too early in the morning. So the slope is -3. So parallel would be the same slope. So y minus 1 equals -3x minus 3, yes. So y minus 1 equals -3x plus 9. Add 3x, add 1. So 3x plus y equals 10. Woohoo! What's this? More problems? Go ahead and do all 6 of them. And then turn me back on. Okay, so now we're slope-intercept form. Slope-intercept form. So y equals 7x plus 2. We're done. Oh my goodness, can I make it any better for you? Oh, it's almost like a banana split with extra cherries. It's so right there for you. Then this one, y minus 8 equals 1/2 x minus 4. So y minus 8 equals 1/2 x minus 2. Now we could have multiplied by 2 here, but most people mess that up, so I'll do it here. 2y minus 16 equals x minus 4. So I'm going to, solve. Oh, I messed up. We're doing slope-intercept. We're not doing standard. Oh my goodness. Hush my mouth and kick me in the toe. So here, just add 8. Oh, that was my bad. We didn't need multiply by 2. Oh, I'm so ashamed of myself. So we add 8, so it's 1/2 x plus 6. Oh, I tried to make it so much harder. I apologize. Oh, I'm so ashamed. It's going to be on record forever on the YouTube. So this one, I'm going to, 8 minus 6 is 2 over -1. So the slope is -2. So I'm going to use this point. Y minus 8 equals -2 x minus 4. So y minus 8 equals -2x plus 8. Now, hopefully, I will remember I'm solving for y, slope-intercept. So I'm going to add 8. So y equals negative 2x plus 16. Now, the slope of this one's 1/3. So perpendicular slope would be what, kids? Remember, it's the negative reciprocal. Negative reciprocal. Cha-cha! So the perpendicular slope, oops, it's right there, is negative 3. So y minus 1 equals negative 3. X minus 1. Y minus 1 equals negative 3x plus 3. Add 1, because it's still slope-intercept. Yay! Now the last two are real quick. Y equals a number that's horizontal, straight across. So perpendicular would be rotated vertical. So that would just be x equals the x number. And x equals the number is a vertical line whose slope is always undefined. So perpendicular to that, let's see, it's vertical. So perpendicular, we rotate it 90 degrees. It'd be horizontal. So it's y equals the y number. Easy peasy chocolate cows. So here we go. Oh, that's our review. And I'll do the new in just a little bit.